Hello, beautiful minds. I'm Melody Walter, and this is Melodies Mindcast, a Melodies Network production. And today's journey is all about something you may not have heard of, but once you understand it, it can completely shift how you rest, recharge, and manifest the life you've always dreamed of. It's called NSDR, non-sleep deep rest. So what is NSDR? Imagine your brain like the operating system of your life. You've got countless tabs open: work stress, family responsibilities, deadlines, goals, even that inner critic. Most of us only ever shut down at night when we sleep. And even then, the quality isn't always quite what we need. NSDR is like hitting the reset button for your nervous system without having to actually sleep. It's a science-backed state of profound rest where your body deeply relaxes, your breath slows, and your brain waves move into place where creativity, healing, and learning accelerate. Neuroscientists like Dr. Andrew Huberman have shown that NSDR can help with improving focus and memory, reducing stress and anxiety, boosting your ability to learn new skills, rewiring your brain toward resilience. In simple terms, NSDR is active rest. Your brain is awake, but your body and nervous system are deeply relaxed. The science of manifestation through NSDR. So here's where it gets magnetic. When your brain is in these deep rest states, you are more suggestible, meaning your subconscious mind is wide open. Think of your subconscious as the soil of your life. Most of the time, it's cluttered with weeds, old stories like, I'm not enough, or dreams like that aren't made for me. But during NSDR, that soil becomes soft, rich, ready to receive new seeds. And this is the perfect moment to plant your dream reality. So, instead of simply visualizing when you're stressed, distracted, you learn to use NSDR as a portal, a way to drop your intentions straight into the fertile ground of your subconscious, where real change happens. So, how to practice NSDR? The best part? You don't need any equipment, friends, just you, a quiet space, and willingness to try. Here's a simple NSDR practice you can follow. Lie down comfortably flat on your back if possible. Close your eyes and bring awareness to your breath. Body scan from head to toe. Imagine each part of your body sinking, relaxing into the floor. Breathe rhythm. Inhale slowly through your nose. Exhale even more slowly out of your mouth. And visualization. Once you feel heavy, calm, still, gently bring in an image of your dream. See it as if it's already real. Feel the joy, freedom, abundance, and then let go. Release the image, trusting your subconscious has received it. 10 to 20 minutes of this can feel like hours of deep restoration. So, why it works for manifestation. When you repeat this practice, something incredible happens. Your nervous system learns safety and stillness. Your subconscious begins to align with possibility instead of fear. And this isn't just woo-woo, friends. No, this is neuroscience. The brain doesn't know the difference between vividly imagined reality and lived experience. NSDR allows you to embody the feelings of already having your dream. And embodiment is the bridge between wishing and manifesting. So let's do a 3-minute mini visualizer together. I just love these. Close your eyes for a moment and take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly. And picture yourself a year from now. You're rested, clear, focused, abundant. Maybe you've written that book, launched that business, or created more time for the people you truly love. See yourself walking into a room, shoulders back, smile wide, confidence glowing. People look at you and see someone magnetic, someone who has unlocked a new level of energy. Feel it in your body right now. Your future self is not separate from you. It's already here, waiting for you to claim it. That's NSDR, a practice that bridges science and soul, logic and magic, a tool you can use to manifest your dreams into reality, not someday, but today. All right, friends, thank you so kindly for tuning into Melodies Mindcast, Melodies Network production, and until next time, beautiful minds, keep resting, keep dreaming, and keep becoming the masterpiece that you were meant to be. And in closing, I would like to say a personal thank you to all my subscribers. I truly appreciate and have so much gratitude for all of your support. And if you feel so compelled to do so, please make sure that you hit that notification bell so I can pop up live. And I just love doing live sessions. And please connect with me on LinkedIn. My name is Melodie Walter. All right, friends, take care. Be kind to your mind.